Hi, Paul from Journey of a Petrol Head. Today we're looking at the headlight switch 2006 Mark 5 Golf GTI in this case, but any Golf has the same issue here. And the problem, as you can see, is the headlight switch is fairly destroyed with scratches and it's hard to read all the symbols on it, right? So we want to get rid of that one. I have a new one here beside me that we can put in, but how do you take the headlight switch out of a Mark 5 Golf GTI? Or any Mark 5 Golf for that matter? Okay, start with the headlight switch in full off position, right? So not an auto light, so some people have it set off. Push it in, turn it halfway between on and off. Try that again. Okay, and then and that's how it comes out. Okay, so let's try that again. Watch. Oh, push in, turn to, in this case, auto, and then the whole thing slides out. The whole switch comes out as one go. Okay, now I have one connector on the back, so you want to be sure that the one switch you've bought has the right connector on the back. So let's just get the other switch we have. Okay, brand new switch. Okay, with one connector on the back. So let's try and put this in now. This is going to be tricky with one hand. I'm trying to hold the camera, so bear with me now if the camera gets a bit stranger. Apologies for that if it does. Okay, so there's a little just on top. You can just see, if you just slide that in, okay. Okay. Then the whole system just pops out. Okay, that's simple. Okay, take away the old light unit, throw that away. Get the new light unit and put this in. Should we line it up correctly? So I'm not sure this lines up correctly now. Okay, so that is it. The light switch is in. Make sure the little indentation is done. Slide this in the right way. Okay. Okay, that was a solid click. She's in now. Now, does it work? Let's turn the ignition on and find out. Grab the key. Key in the ignition. Okay, now, does it work?
I'm the Sheehan solar panels.
Okay. So you can see on the wall there,
on the roof of their new
headlights.
Mr. Sheehan.
Sorry about the radio, lads. Okay, side lights. And now autos. Okay. At once, fogs. Okay, two. And there's a rear fog light switch. Rear fog light switch off. Check the lights on the rear. So let's see what we have now on the lights. The front fogs are working, the headlights are working. So that is how you place the headlight switch on a Mark 5 Golf. Okay, the one we have now, right, looks a lot better than the one we took out. Alright, thanks guys. Tune in next time for the next video. Next Oily Bits Guide. Cheers.